Good morning, everyone. It's Annika here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. It's Tuesday, everyone, and Julie is away for a few days, so I'll be taking over her pre-morning market updates. And we'll be taking a look at different stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Okay, getting right into this morning's stock market news. In US stock futures, the Dow futures has been up 0.31%. The S&P 500 futures have been up 0.46%, and the Nasdaq futures have been up 0.68%. Looking at stock news, RIVN's 2021 production misses targets and the COO steps down. RIVN Automotive with the ticker RIVN failed to meet its 2021 production targets. In addition to this, the company's chief operating officer, Rod Copes, has stepped down. RIVN shares fell 5.61% to close at $81.44 on January 10th. RIVN designs and develops and sells electric vehicles and accessories. The Amazon-backed electric pickup truck maker projected production of 1,200 cars. However, it failed to meet the target after feeling the effects of supply chain constraints. Consequently, the company has ended up delivering 920 vehicles by the end of the year. Alongside this negative news, it was coupled with the further confirmation that COO Rod Copes had stepped down, and he had began a phased retirement several months ago. Cope's duties have since then been absorbed by the leadership team. Despite this, the RIVN Smart Score is still given a 10 by TipRanks, in that it is most likely to outperform the market. In other news, in the investing world, massive game maker Take-Two Interactive, with the ticker TTWO, purchased much less massive game maker ZYNG, which has a ticker ZYNG. This news sent Zynga's stock blasting nearly 10% in pre-market trading on Monday, but it sent Take-Two down nearly the same amount. Worse, Take-Two's negative momentum carried on into Monday morning's trading as well. The market does seem to think the move is a mistake, hence we saw the Take-Two price fall. And this also explains the Smart Score being a 5 in that it is neutral when it comes to outperforming the market. As for Zynga, the Smart Score is a 9 in that it is likely to outperform the market. As we saw, Take-Two was down as much as nearly 15% in trading on Monday. This all took place after the announcement of the plans to buy Zynga, which was valued at $12.7 billion in cash and stock, which saw the price surge from $6 to $8.44, which is a 40.67% upswing. Thirdly, Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook, is deemed as the leader in the metaverse revolution. Meta Platforms company has been the subject of great scrutiny over the years. Its growth and financials, however, remain robust, and it has a $58 billion cash pile and a $0 long-term debt position. The stock has remained consistently cheap, which should allow management's growing stock repurchases to deliver fantastic shareholder value creation going forward. The Meta Platform has a Smart Score of 9 in that it is likely to outperform the market. A lot of this is based on the metaverse potential. Many analysts believe it is one of the best metaverse stocks with the most potential out there. Moderna provided an update on its COVID-19 vaccine. This caused the share prices to jump by 9%. The update with regards to the Moderna vaccines is that they are working on advancing first-in-class vaccines against latent viruses. They look to further leverage their mRNA technology and deliver into gene editing and other ways to impact human health, that the CEO Bankel added. The news was regards a pipeline update. The company is developing an Omicron-containing booster vaccine candidate called the MRNA 12773-529, which is expected to undergo clinical trials in early 2022. Notably, the booster doses of the company's current COVID-19 vaccine mRNA 1273 at both 50 micrograms and 100 microgram dose levels have increased neutralizing antibody levels against Omicron, the company said. And this is what resulted in the price to increase by 9.28% since market close on January 10th. Furthermore, Moderna has a strategic collaboration agreement with Charisma Therapeutics, which is a biopharmaceutical company to discover, develop, and commercialize in vivo engineered chimeric antigen receptor monocyte, CAR-M, therapeutics for the treatment of cancer. Now looking at notable earnings reports. Popular sports-focused live streaming TV company FUBO TV released their Q4 preliminary results. and they also gave out subscriber metrics. FUBO's official earnings date for the fourth quarter is scheduled for June 13, 2022. Despite forecasting positive Q4 numbers, the shares sank as much as 8.4%, marking a new yearly low, and the shares decreased by 2.93% in the last 24 hours since the last market close. They currently sit at $13.56. In Q4, FUBO TV expects total revenue to fall between $215 million and $220 million, a 105 to 109% year-over-year growth. This includes advertising revenue of more than $25 million and an improvement in subscriber churn out of more than 200 basis points. However, the consensus estimate is pegged lower at $211.6 million. Moreover, the subscriber acquisition cost is projected at 1 to 1.5 times monthly average revenue per user. For the full year 2021, FUBO expects total revenue to be between $622 million and $627 million, growing 138 to 140% annually. We also saw notable earnings for ZYNG stock. ZYNG stock, which is deemed a moderate buy with a 20.21% upside on price target, provided their fourth quarter fiscal 2021 outlook. They have a smart score of a 9, and this is because of their positive fiscal 2021 outlook. Revenue is expected to be in the range of $15 billion to $16 billion. Net income is expected to be in the range of $38 million to $106 million. Diluted earnings per share is expected to be in the range of 39 cents to $1.09. It could be that the wide range of earnings estimates are giving shareholders positive encouragement that the earnings could be much better than we expect. Looking at this morning's top gainers and losers. The first stock is Oatly Group, with the ticker OTLY. Oatly Group increased by 3.59% in price to $7.51 at PreMarket. This is because Oatly launched its first ever plant-based milk alternative on the Deutsche Bahn trains in Germany. The second top gainer is Aluminium of China, and the ticker is ACH. Aluminium of China had a gain of 6.11% since PreMarket, bringing its price to $15.01. The current price is $14.23 at market close. There wasn't any company-specific news with regards to this gain. However, aluminium prices have been soaring. This could be attributable to the price of Aluminium of China increasing. As for losers, the top loser was Pacific Biosciences, and its ticker is PACB. Pacific Biosciences was 10.01% lower at PreMarket, which brought the price to $14.92. This was down $1.66. At market close, the price was $16.58. The price for Pacific Biosciences fell after Illumina said it will develop its own technology for sequencing long stretches of DNA. The second loser was Huazhu Group, and its ticker is HTHT. Huazhu Group fell in PreMarket by 3.99%. This was a decrease of $1.38, bringing the PreMarket price to $33.23. At close, the price was $34.61. So guys, that will be everything for this morning's PreMarket update. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!